Watch the important and interesting problem by two methods. Watch till the end for best knowledge. Welcome back to our channel, S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. So now logarithms, very interesting and important problem for SSC of TS and AP and various Olympiads. So let us go through it now. So if 1.8 whole power x is equal to 0.18 whole power y is 1000, then we had to find out the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. It is one of the most important and interesting problem of 10th standard. So let us go through it now. So by seeing the question, don't be panic. So let us go through it now. So consider the given equation as equation 1. So consider or given. So 1.8 whole power x is equal to 0.18 whole power y is equal to 1000. So label as equation 1. So this is nothing but a is equal to b is equal to c. So a is equal to c and b is equal to c. So let us consider. So this implies I can write now 1.8 whole power x is equal to 1000. Okay. So this is in exponential form. The corresponding logarithmic form is given by x is equal to log 1000 to the base 1.8, or you can apply logarithm on both sides. You can do in any way. So nothing but x is equal to here I can write log 1000 to the base 1.8. So this implies now 1 by x. So reciprocal. I can write it as now 1 by log of 1000 to the base 1.8. So I can write it as now log 1.8 to the base 1000. So therefore 1 by x can be written as now log 1.8 to the base 1000. So label as equation number 2. So first is completed, this is second equation. So by taking this part 1.8 whole power x is equal to 1000, I got the result 1 by x as in this way with the finite mathematical steps. So next, similarly I can write now, if I consider 0.18 whole power y is equal to 1000, this implies again write here 1 by y is equal to similarly. So nothing but I can write log of 0.18 to the base 1000. So label as equation number 3. So no need to proceed each and every step. If you are interested, you can. So now our intention is to get the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay. So therefore 1 by x minus 1 by y is nothing but here 1 by x is our log a log 1.8 to the base 1000 minus log 0.18 to the base 1000. It takes the form of log a minus log b with respect to the same base, so that I can apply log a by b. So here nothing but log 1.8 by 0.18 to the base 1000. Okay. So here this is a step I am doing separately for the sake of slow learners to avoid the confusion. So consider here 1.8 by 0.18. So 18 by 10 by here 18 by 100. So that I can write 18 by 10 into 100 by 18. So finally here it is 10 after cancellation once and 10 times. Okay. So therefore I can write log this part is nothing but I got here this expression as 10. So log 10 to the base 1000. So nothing but log 10 power 1 to the base 10 cube. So it takes the form of log x power m to the base 5 power n. So I can write it as 1 by 3 into log 10 to the base 10. Nothing but 1 by 3 into, as you know that log 10 base 10 is 1. So finally here it is 1 by 3. So therefore I can write 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is the result. Okay. So once you have the total look here, so this second minus third equation. So 1 by x minus 1 by y. Here since 2 minus 3. So in this way we can proceed the problem. Don't be panic. Very important 4 marks problem for the annual examination point of view and various competitive examinations. So this is method 1. Let us go through method 2. So this is by applying the concept of logarithms. So let us see the next method. Now let us crack the same problem solution without logarithms. So let us consider now our expression 1.8 whole power x is equal to 1000. So this is nothing but in exponential form. So using the application of radical asserts, I can write it as now 1.8 can be written as 1000 power 1 by x. So this implies 1.8 is nothing but 10 cube whole power 1 by x. Okay. So this implies 1.8 is nothing but 10 power 3 by x. Laplace equation number 1. So this I have written by using the given quantity. So similarly I can write here by taking 0.18 whole power y is equal to 1000. So this implies I can write 0.18 is equal to 10 power 3 by y. Okay, so same finite mathematical steps I have done. So now here if you observe carefully, so far we did not apply the concept of logarithms. So let us go what will happen. Now if you observe carefully, let us divide 1 with 2 or 2 with 1, no problem. So 1 divided by 2. So nothing but here 1.8 by 0.18 is equal to 10 power 3 by x by 10 power 3 by y. Okay, so LHS I am going to simplify. So nothing but 0.18, sorry 1.8 by 0.18. So nothing but 18 by 10 by 18 by 100. So I can write it as a by b by c by d, nothing but here 18 by 10 into 100 by 18. So ones and tens here. So its value is 10. Okay, already we done one more time. So this I can write it as now here. This is 10 should be equated to here 10 power RHS in the form of a power m by a power n, nothing but a power m minus n. So 10 power 3 by x minus 3 by y. So 10 power 1 here, 10 power. So in the exponent I have two terms. From the two terms I can take 3 as common. So that I can write here 1 by x minus 1 by y. So this implies 1 is equal to here 3 into 1 by x minus 1 by y. So shifting to this side I can write 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1 by y, since the operation is multiplication. So finally hence 1 by x minus 1 by y is nothing but here 1 by 3. So they may ask in another way also. So keep it, remember that 1 by x can also written as x power minus 1 minus y power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 3, or you can also write 3 power minus 1. Okay. So 1 by a power n is a power minus n. So I can write 3 power minus 1 also. So they can ask in this way also. So have a look total problem. So method 2, solution without applying the concept of logarithms, previously by applying the concept of logarithms. Okay. So once you have the total look. If you feel good, then only like it and share to your near and dear friends. Very important, interesting problems of logarithms. Okay. Signing out, this is your Santosh from S Square Maths YouTube channel.